Do you think there is or can be an aftermarket fix for the issue on the GTX hull? Or just a lost cause? Or will this info be a video article? Everything's a video, everything's an article. The ST3 hull responds incredibly well to the Pro Series RIVA Sponsons set at 4. The intake grate will help too. The problem is that you're trying to mitigate bow hunting by keeping the tail planted. It helps. Does it solve it 100%? No. The bow hunting will exist because you can't change the hull, but you can keep the tail from washing out or breaking loose with the RIVA Pro Series Sponsons set at 4 and their intake grate. That's really the best things you can do. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.